What is the marketing mix? Is it really important for your business growth? And what do the 4Ps stand for? The marketing mix refers to the combination of strategies and tactics which you need to promote your brand or your product in the market. Very easy. Also, the marketing mix is very important because it refers to the roadmap which you need to reach your objectives. Let's say that you want to bake a chocolate cake and your friend wants to bake a strawberry cake. Do you think that you will need the same ingredients and you will follow the same steps? Wrong, you will not. Because for chocolate cake you will need specific ingredients like chocolate. And for strawberry cakes you will need another specific ingredients which is strawberries. Also for the steps will not be the same. Maybe for the chocolate cake you will need to put chocolate in the beginning, and for the strawberry cake you will need to put the strawberry in the end. So here we are talking about two different recipes to have two different products. Same for the marketing mix. The marketing mix is that specific recipe which you need to bring your brand into life. And this specific recipes, it represents the 4Ps. Product, price, place, promotions. These specific P's are different from brand to brand. However, every brand has to have them. So let's go through each element. First of all, we have the product. The product represents the functions, packaging, appearance, durability, the quality of what you want to sell. Then we have the price. The price represents the list price, discounts, payment options that you will offer to your target. It means how much your target will pay for this product or for this brand. Then we have promotions. Promotions is how they will find your brand or your product. And here we are talking about the media channels, if there is any brand ambassador, and which message you will use. Finally, the place. And here we are talking about where do you promote your brand or your product. And this represents the locations, service levels, market coverage, etc. etc. Okay, now we know the real definitions of the marketing mix and the 4Ps. But the real question is how we can really use them in real life to succeed your business. To understand this in depth, I will share with you the real example of Nike, and we will analyze together the 4Ps of the giant sports brand Nike. And by the way, I love coffee. If you also love drinking coffee, drop a comment and tell me what is your favorite flavor. As we have mentioned before, the marketing mix depends on the target you are trying to reach and the problems you are trying to solve. So the marketing mix will always differ from an industry to another, a brand to another, which is very normal and which is very logical. I will tell you why through Nike's example. At present, the sporting goods company's marketing mix includes a wide variety of product categories and brands. However, broadly speaking, footwear, equipment, and accessories represent Nike's product mix. And if you will go deeper, we will find that Nike offers large product variety like tennis shoes, basket shoes, running shoes, cricket shoes, and a variety of other accessories. Nike keeps expanding its product mix to meet the market need and the segment's need. So they can have 4Ps suited to the market characteristic. Don't forget that here we are cooking something. And to have a very successful product by the end, we need to use the right ingredients. So for Nike, having a large variety of a product is the first ingredient to be successful in the market. Going now to the price. Because Nike's targets different targets and they offer different products, so it makes sense that they have different pricing strategies. And here we are talking about the value-based pricing strategy and the premium pricing strategy. In the value-based pricing strategy, Nike considers consumer perceptions about the value of its product. Here, they will answer the question how much the consumer is willing to pay for that specific product. However, in the premium pricing strategy, Nike uses high prices based on the premium branding strategy. They will offer high quality with high branding so they can offer high prices for these specific products. Also, for the pricing strategy, Nike offers different way of payment. We have online and offline. Now we know about the first P and the second P, product and price. For the product, we saw that Nike offers a variety of products because they target different markets with different needs. And for the price, we saw that also Nike offers different pricing strategies because they are also targeting different people with different sociographic characteristics. So now we are going to the third P, which is the place, where we can find Nike products. Nike sells its products through retail stores, Nike online stores, and Nike town retail outlets. Always remember that the place is about the market coverage, the locations where your target can find your product. Going now to the fourth P, which is promotion. The tactics that Nike uses to ensure effective promotion of its product include advertising, and here we are talking about athletes and sport teams, personal selling, direct marketing, sales promotions, and public relations. So for the promotion, it actually depends on the nature of your product and the user behavior. If your target is very present online, so maybe you will use online marketing, social media as the first media channels to promote your product or your brand. However, if your target is very present offline, so maybe you will use TV, radio, out of home, billboards to promote your product and to deliver the information to your target. I will share with you another example that I personally experienced. When I worked at YASSIR actually is an app like Uber to order food or to order cabs. I have oversaw the launch of their third app, YASSIR Business. So YASSIR Business is an app that allows employers to order cabs for their employees. And here, before we delivered the final product, we went through the market analysis. Market analysts allow us to understand the market expectations, the market needs, and the competitors' behavior. And thanks to all these insights, we could decide about the marketing mix and we could decide about our 4 Ps. For the product, we made sure that we are offering an app that allows the user to track the journey, send the location to some other friends, to know the price before ordering the cab, and to know the details of the driver. For the price, we have used the value-based pricing strategy, and here we have asked the question how much the target is willing to pay. Based on that and based on the other factor, which is the distance, we decided about the price of its journey. For the promotion, because here we are talking about an app, so our primary channel was online marketing, social media platforms. However, we also use the offline marketing. We have participated in some offline events, professional events, and we have distributed flyers containing the app QR code, and from that they can download the app very easily. For the place, the online stores were the place where you can find the app. So now you have all the information and details you need to know about the marketing mix and the 4 Ps elements, which are the product, the price, promotion, and the place. If you want to know more about Nike's branding or how to do a market research, then do check the 2 videos I have shared in the end of this video. If you have any questions or you want me to do a video about specific topic, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to get your feedback. Also, if you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe. I would appreciate your support. I will see you next time with a new video and a new topic.